Welcome to a cinematic journey into the world of luxury chess sets. Today we unveil the mastery behind the art of the $500 chess set, Mastery in Amritsar. For centuries, chess has been a game of intellect and strategy. But for many, the board itself is an artifact, a testament to exceptional craftsmanship and luxury. Behold the result of dedication and skill, a high-end chess set where every curve and weight distribution speaks of quality. In a world of mass-produced goods, what elevates a simple board game to a $500 masterpiece? The answer lies in the hands of the masters. Our journey begins in Amritsar, India, a city renowned not only for its spirituality, but also as a hub for generations of world-class artisans and woodworkers. This is where the magic happens. In small, humble workshops, centuries-old techniques are employed to bring these magnificent chess sets to life. Meet the hands that create the beauty. The master artisan, whose knowledge of wood and carving techniques has been passed down through generations. The foundation of a great chess set starts long before the carving, with the meticulous selection and preparation of the raw materials. Only the finest exotic woods, like deep ebony and light boxwood, make the cut. The contrast and quality of the grain are paramount. Creating the board involves precision joinery and inlay work. Contrasting wood squares are cut and fitted together with zero tolerance for error, forming the battlefield. Now the true artistry begins, bringing the personality of each piece to life through precise, patient hand carving. Even the simplest pieces, the pawns, require intense focus. Chisels shave away wood, ensuring every piece is uniform in height and proportion. The knight and king are the signatures of the set. Their intricate details, the knight's mane, the king's crown, are meticulously carved, requiring hours of focused labor for a single piece. Once carved, the pieces undergo rigorous finishing to ensure their longevity and feel. Each piece is weighted for stability and balance. Then, a layer of quality felt is hand-applied to the base, ensuring a smooth glide across the board and protecting the wood. The final test is tactile. The feel of the wood, the subtle click of the weight, and the sound of the piece landing on the board must meet the master's demanding standards. So why $500? The price reflects not just wood, but hundreds of hours of skill, tradition, and non-mechanized human labor. The cost breaks down into the price of rare, sustainably sourced materials, the decades of expertise poured into every cut, and the sheer time required to hand-carve perfect pieces. This is where these luxury sets belong, on the tables of serious collectors and in high-stakes professional tournaments, a silent witness to strategic battles. The $500 chess set is more than a game. It's an investment in art, a piece of cultural heritage, and a nod to the enduring value of human skill. The final touch, the satisfied glance of the artisan, knowing they have created something timeless and beautiful for the world to enjoy. When you buy a handcrafted set, you're not just purchasing wood, you're preserving an art form and owning a true masterpiece.